In a busy city, a tired graphic designer named Kai battled fatigue and self-doubt until movement slowly reclaimed his spark. Kai started with 10-minute walks and gentle stretches after long screens, inspired by a friend who wore a hopeful smile. Setbacks came with busy seasons and injuries, but he learned to listen to his body and celebrate small wins. Gradually, he trained for a volcanic trail climb, transforming diet and sleep into teammates that supported each step. Today, Kai coaches others, teaches resilience, and proves that steady effort turns fear into fuel and a new life.